Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best drawing table is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any young artist, offering a dedicated space that sparks creativity and encourages hours of imaginative play, making it an invaluable addition to a child's room or playroom, and a fantastic way to foster their artistic development and fine motor skills from an early age. Number 5. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board for Toddlers. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This magnetic drawing board is ideal for birthdays or any occasion, offering endless artistic and learning possibilities for your child. Watch your child's imagination soar. This doodle board enhances creativity, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's a fantastic way to make learning letters and numbers an enjoyable experience. Designed with stability in mind, it features sturdy legs that can be adjusted to 3 different heights. This ensures a comfortable and engaging drawing experience for toddlers of all sizes. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this drawing board is completely safe for your child. It has rounded corners and no small parts, ensuring peace of mind during playtime. Say goodbye to messy crayons and paper. This reusable doodle board allows for quick erasing and endless new creations. It's an eco-friendly and clean way for your child to express themselves. What we like? This magnetic drawing board is perfect for little ones just starting their artistic journey. Its sturdy, adjustable legs ensure a comfortable drawing experience for toddlers of various heights. If you're looking for a mess-free, educational toy that encourages early learning and creativity without the need for paper, this is an excellent choice for your 1 to 3-year-old. What people say. This drawing table is perfect for my 5-year-old. It's sturdy and has a large drawing surface. The adjustable height feature is great, allowing the table to grow with my child. My kids love the built-in storage for their art supplies. Everything stays organized and within reach. Number 4. Magnetic Drawing Board for Toddlers. Spark your child's imagination with this colorful magnetic drawing board. Its vibrant screen introduces early color recognition, perfect for toddlers to explore their artistic side and develop fine motor skills. Designed with child safety in mind, this doodle board is made from durable, child-safe materials with rounded edges. The attached magic pen ensures it won't get lost, providing worry-free playtime for parents. This adaptable drawing board features detachable legs, transforming it into an upright easel, a drawing desk, or a lap pad. It encourages correct posture and comfortable drawing angles for extended creative sessions. Say goodbye to messy art supplies. This reusable drawing board offers endless creative opportunities without paper or ink. Simply slide the eraser to clear the screen and start a new masterpiece. Encourage cognitive development and artistic exploration with this engaging toy. It's an ideal screen-free gift for birthdays or holidays, providing hours of developmental play for young learners. What we like? Ignite your child's creativity with this vibrant magnetic drawing board. The colorful screen makes learning colors fun, and the versatile 3-in-1 design adapts to your child's needs, promoting good posture. If you want a durable, safe, and engaging doodle board that offers endless mess-free drawing for toddlers aged 18 months to 4 years, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The drawing table is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for my child's art projects. It has a large drawing surface with plenty of space for crayons, markers, and paper. The built-in storage compartments are a great feature, keeping art supplies organized and within reach. Number 3. Costzon 3-in-1 Kids Art and Craft Table and Chair Set. Introducing the Costzon 3-in-1 Art and Craft Table and Chair Set. It's designed to spark imagination and provide endless hours of enjoyment for your little ones. This activity desk features a multipurpose tabletop. One side is a blackboard for drawing, while the other is perfect for reading or eating. Remove the top to reveal a space for building blocks and crafts. Keep playtime tidy with generous storage. Built-in boxes under the tabletop and chairs hold books and toys, making cleanup a breeze and saving valuable space. Crafted from sturdy wood with a tight structural design, this set is built to last. It complies with safety standards, ensuring your children can use it securely and freely. Lightweight and easy for children to move, they can create their play space anywhere. This furniture is perfectly sized for them, encouraging independent play and fun with friends. Whether for eating, drawing, reading, or playing, this versatile set is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It can be their dining table, activity hub, or learning station. What we like. This wooden activity table set is a versatile hub for your child's creative endeavors. With a blackboard on one side and a smooth surface for play and eating on the other, it offers ample storage for toys and art supplies. If you need a sturdy, safe, and multifunctional furniture set that encourages drawing, reading, and play, this is ideal for creating an organized and engaging space for your child. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made, providing a stable surface for drawing and crafting. It features a large drawing area that is perfect for kids to spread out their materials. The adjustable tilt feature allows for different drawing angles, which is great for ergonomics and comfort. Number 2. FLUESTON LCD Writing Tablet 8.8 inch. Introducing the FLUESTON LCD Writing Tablet, a fun and educational toy for kids. It's perfect for drawing, doodling, and learning. Get 3 tablets in one pack, each with a different cute animal button. This offers great value and encourages creativity for multiple children. Designed with your child's safety in mind, it features an eye-friendly LCD screen with no radiation or glare. They can use it comfortably for hours. With a simple one-click clear button and a screen lock function, it's incredibly easy to use. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Experience brighter and clearer drawings thanks to the upgraded colorful display and pressure-sensitive technology. Create lines of varying thickness with ease. This drawing tablet makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a wonderful way to foster learning and imagination. What we like. Get more for your money with this 3-pack of LCD writing tablets. The upgraded colorful screens offer brighter, clearer drawings with pressure-sensitive technology for varied line thickness. If you need an economical, portable, and eye-friendly drawing solution for multiple children or for on-the-go fun, these tablets are perfect for keeping little hands busy and imaginations flowing. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well made, perfect for my child's art projects. It has a large drawing surface with plenty of space for crayons, markers, and paper. The adjustable height feature is great, allowing the table to grow with my child. Number 1. Unicorn Drawing Projector Kit for Kids. Spark your child's imagination with this comprehensive arts and crafts set. It's designed to nurture their artistic talents and provide hours of creative fun. This set includes everything your child needs to get started, from drawing pens and pencils to crayons, a scrapbook, and even fun stickers. It's a complete package for budding artists. The upgraded drawing table is larger and more comfortable for children to use. It provides an enhanced experience for immersive learning and creativity. Assembly is simple, allowing kids to start creating right away. Just insert a slide, adjust the pattern, and let their creativity flow as they trace the projected images. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this adorable unicorn-themed kit is built to last. It's the perfect gift for any child aged 3 and up. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll resolve your concerns promptly. What we like. Unleash your child's inner artist with this enchanting drawing projector set. It comes with a vast array of art supplies and a fun unicorn theme, making it a complete package for creative exploration. If you're looking for an engaging, interactive art toy that helps children trace and draw with ease, especially for a 3-plus-year-old who loves unicorns, this set is a magical gift choice. What people say. This drawing table is perfect for my little artist. It has a large drawing surface and plenty of storage for crayons, markers, and paper. The easel feature is great for encouraging different drawing styles. The adjustable height of the table is a fantastic feature. It grows with my child, ensuring they can use it comfortably for years to come. The built-in light is also a nice touch, making it easier to draw in dimmer conditions. Assembly was surprisingly easy, and the table feels very sturdy and well-made. My kids love the built-in compartments for organizing their art supplies, keeping everything tidy and accessible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.